closing your loan. We're at the end. You have gone through escrow, your appraisals come in on time, your loan is approved, and you're getting ready to get your closing documents. Where do we go from here? All right. So the first thing is you're going to receive your closing disclosure and review your with your loan officer any final questions on the settlement charges. So you're going to basically get a closing disclosure, and I'm going to show you what that looks like here in a second. You must wait 3 days after signing that closing disclosure before we can close your loan or fund your loan. So before you can even sign your loan documents, you need to wait 3 days. So it is very, very important to get that closing disclosure. If you know that you're supposed to be closing on Friday and it's Tuesday and you haven't received that closing disclosure to sign yet, you are not going to be closing on time. You are going to be late. So you need to make sure that if you're about a week before your closing date, you are reaching out to your loan officer and you are asking them, where is my closing disclosure? I haven't received it yet. You would be surprised. Some people do get it and sign it and don't even realize that they did. But many, many times you will know that you have signed it or whether you have received it or seen it. So it is very important. We're going to show you what that looks like here in a couple of minutes, but it is important to go through that and go through it step by step, line by line with your loan officer to make sure that all of the terms, everything that was agreed upon is there. The interest rate that you agreed to, the loan amount that you agreed to, the monthly payment is what you thought it was. The taxes and insurance are either included in the payment or they are not. So all of that information is there and very, very important. And so you need to get through that closing disclosure.